Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool Emily in Paris video introduction inspired video on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, go to Cutout and select Auto Cutout. Go to text and add any text that you want. You can add any like writing you want, of course. And you can also select any font that you want as well. Just trying to find one that, okay, maybe this one. I'm just going to make it like a little bit bigger, and I'm going to kind of put it to the side. Maybe I'll just type in the word summer. And then after that, here I'm going to actually put this above the image, and on this one I'm going to go to animation and I'm going to add in kind of like a fade in video effect. So let's just do that. So it looks something like this. So it looks like he's kind of going into the text. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!